Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can send an attachment on Gmail, or how you can attach your file on your Gmail, right, and be able to send them, right? So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, for you to be able to send an email first with Gmail, you need a Gmail account, right? So I hope you already have. As you can see, I'm on mine here. So now, once you are on your home page, I just want you to click on compose, like you are creating a new email, right? And then, as you can see, I'm just going to fast forward all in all this. This is to, this is where you are going to write the email that you are sending your email to. And then this is the subject of your email. Obviously, let's just say attachment, maybe something like an attachment, right? So now in your email body, this is your email body, this column, let's just say dear say, or something like simple. This is an attachment, right? Thank you, right? Just something. So now let's say that's your email. Thank you. Let's say that's your email, right? So you done your email. Now you want to attach it. For you to come to attach it, you should come down here. You see this dot, this, but this, once you hover on it, you will see attach file text right there. So now once you just click on there, once you click on that, this tab should be opening up. Now you can choose the file that you want to attach from your computer, right? Let's just say I want to attach this application letter, right? So now once you choose the file, just click on open. And then, as you can see, if you look down here, it's uploading, or it's attaching that file. It's super fast, so it's attached. Now you attach your file there, right? So once you attach it, you can just send it. Click on send, and then, as you can see here, it's sending, right? You send message send, so you send an attachment with your Gmail right there. So yeah, as you can see, it's simple and super fast. So yeah, that's how you can send an attachment with your email. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time you upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you again in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.